Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another late night pouring episode. HOA and I are here. Baxter is taking up residence over in the corner and he's looking outside, so hopefully he's going to behave himself. Tonight I want to do another Yeet pour, but I have something very specific in mind, and to use this I'm using my Erica Hughes Spinner, which we are going to have help us in my endeavors. So I'm very excited about this one. This is a repurposed canvas. I have painted it black on top of it, but it's a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. Let me show you my colors because they are amazing. I'm very excited about these. We are using This Little Piggy Pigments, and the first one that I'm super excited about is Boastful. That's this beauty right here, HOA. This gorgeous color shifting turquoisey deep green iridescent deliciousness. Amazing. The Stuck Up Pigs, that's Boastful. I love it. In the cup with the Floetrol, it looks a little gray, but have faith, my friends, it will dry beautifully. It will dry doing this magical shifty amazingness.
Witchcraft.
So, yeah, witchcraft. It is. It's sorcery, I believe. So this is Boastful, which I'm super excited about. And I'm also using another gorgeous one. This is Unicorn, which is so pretty. And this has a beautiful shift from blue, light blue to violet with an iridescent pearliness in there. Really, really beautiful stuff. I love this. So that's Unicorn. And we also have my color, Echeveria, from This Little Piggy Pigments. It looks a little paler in the cup right here, but again, that's the Floetrol. It will dry this color, which is a very, very pretty metallic, shimmery, pearly kind of green, which I really, really like a lot. Oops. And we also have Ore, also from This Little Piggy Pigments.
O-R-E?
O-R-E, Ore, yes. So that's really beautiful. And then with the piggies, I like to use a couple of opaque colors. So we have some leftover white, which I'm 90% certain is Amsterdam titanium white. Actually, this looks a little thick. I'm going to water that down just a smidge. Just the tiniest bit. That's probably a teaspoon of water right there. And you want everything pretty much the same consistency. So, and the last piece that we did, that big black one with the Yeets, it was so cool. I was loving how that turned out and how it dried. It was so neat because the Bordeaux red was opaque, and then the marigold was kind of transparent, and the fire opal was kind of transparent. So there were these unicorn spirals with that opacity and the transparency. It was really, really cool. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about doing this one tonight. And the white is very important. There we go. That's better. Because it provides contrast for all of the iridescent shimmery piggies that we're using. You need something opaque. And I'm also using this one. Is Amsterdam Brilliant Blue. It's a gigantic bottle. That's 1,000 milliliter, which is awesome.
Or just a liter.
Yes, liter. So this is the Brilliant Blue. So we have a couple of opaques. We have Unicorn, we have Boastful, we have Echeveria, we have Ore, and then we have white and the Brilliant Blue. So let's get started. Oh, I also am using Lamp Black as my base coat color. Even though I did dry brush that on there, I'm still going to put down my base coat and tilt it out. So this is, everything is mixed with my Golden's Gel Gloss recipe with Gel Gloss and Floetrol, and this one has a lot of water in it. So.
These aren't drunken piggies?
Yeah, this is, yes, it is the Tipsy Piggy recipe. To go, thank you, HOA. The Tipsy Piggy recipe is dispersing the pigments in actually a capful or two of rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. This is the one that I used. I got it off of Amazon. 99% isopropyl alcohol. 2 capfuls of this in the bottom of a cup, and then a generous scoop of the piggies. Mix that up until it's liquid, and then I just pour my pouring medium, that's the gel gloss and the Floetrol, right into there and mix it up, and it works like a dream. It's beautiful. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put down our base coat. I'm actually going to leave that there. I'm going to take it off of the spinner to do that. I'm going to move the spinner over. So let's put down our base coat first. Scoop those over too so they don't get dirty. I'm just going to pour this out. So when I'm doing something with negative space, where I want negative space, I like to tilt out the base coat rather than using the spatula to spread it. Just because it ends up looking cleaner. If you hear snoring and snarfling and weird noises, it's Baxter. It's not HOA.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
It's okay, he's a dog. I actually really like his noises. He's funny. Can you push that towards me now? And take off those little... Oh.
Nice catch.
Okay. That's pretty good. What do you think?
Sure.
Okay. That took a minute. All right, I'm actually gonna move it over this way a little bit so that we can put some more color down. And so last time when I was doing this, I wasn't pouring it from the cups, I was just drizzling it off the stick, and I think that worked great. So we're gonna do that again. I'm gonna start with some Boastful. That's very little, it's not even covering the bottom of the cup. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the Brilliant Blue on top of there. Maybe a little bit more. And then let's do some Unicorn. And a little bit of white. And a little bit of Ore. And a little bit of Echeveria. And one more shot of Boaster. Okay. So, what I want to do is I want to have... It's stuck on there. I want to do a Yeet about like this right here. Not very big. And I want to... Then I'm going to turn the canvas one more time and I'm going to do another one. Hopefully it'll be in line. So, that's the game plan. Whether or not it works out, we'll see. I'm going to pinch the cup. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna stand back a little bit. Here we go. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to just get it right in that center part. All right, here we go. Okay, that's pretty. I see a lot of the spiraling right in here. Do you see that, HOA?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool looking. All right, we're gonna use the same cup. And I'm going to do pretty much that same thing again. Put Boastful in there. A little bit of Echeveria. Some Brilliant Blue. Unicorn. Or white. And Boastful one more time. Okay. That's too much. I want it. So if that was there, I want to go here. Or maybe like here. Yeah. Okay. Ready, honey?
Yeet. Ooh.
Okay. Cool. I'm going to get a clean cup. There's a lot of Boastful in that one, which is awesome. I'm happy about that. Maybe I am going to pour a little bit of it this time. was like that just now. And that was like there, right? So we're gonna go here. Ready, honey?
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Well struck, my lady.
Okay. Baxter, keep it down, dude. Okay. So that was that one. Now we're gonna go from here. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That's pretty twisty.
Yeah. That's cool. All right. It's a lot of paint in there, but that's all right. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So wait, I just did that one there.
If it doesn't look too regular, you don't want it to look like somebody Indiana Jones hits.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Ooh, cool.
I like that. I like it. I think it's done. What do you think? Unless we do one more little tiny one across here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Actually, leave it.
What's he got?
I don't know, he's just pulling at some rails.
Go right into here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So it sounded like it launched.
That's really cool. I have to post a picture of that for them. Okay. I like it. I think we're done.
Cool.
I'm going to torch it real quick. There's still some bubbles in there. But I'm just going to go with my palette knife and pop them. They're not popping for themselves. Okay. The rest I'm confident will pop. Okay, so that's cool. I'm gonna give you a slow, sexy spin. I like it. I think that looks awesome. So that's Echeveria and Boastful, and everywhere we see this kind of grayish color, that's the Boastful. That should be amazing. There's the Echeveria. I see ore in there. I see the unicorn a little bit. I see the white and the brilliant blue a lot. This is really pretty in here. But I like how there's it's almost like ribboning with the layers. So that's cool. Awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We'll be right back. Cool.
Awesome.
So this is a few days later and it's dry now, and I love how this one turned out. It's so pretty and most amazing, beautiful pigments that are so shimmery and so sparkly. I hope you guys can see them. Like up in here we have some of that beautiful Boastful, a little bit of Echeveria, ore is coming through, that beautiful shimmering goldy bronze color. Just beautiful stuff. I'm in love with the piggies. I gotta tell you, I love how they react. I love the shimmer on them and the bling. Sorry, gale is blowing. There's this very faint edge. I hope you guys can see. I don't know if you can see how shimmery it is. Where the Boastful was. Up in here. More of the Boastful. The best surprise for me on this one though, you see up in here, this corner, and right in here and through here, that's the unicorn. Watch this is so cool. This kind of sapphire-y blue. I don't know if I can make it happen. And then it shifts to this like beautiful fiery violet color. So neat. And it was such an awesome surprise. While I was watching it dry, everything starts to really come to life. Just amazing. Really, really pretty. I love this edge too, this bottom. We have a little bit of that unicorn on top. And then some Echeveria through the white and some ore. And then up into the Boastful. And these cells. These little cells of ore. Through the brilliant blue, that one line. It's just so pretty. Some more Echeveria in there. I'm very pleased with this one. I love how it came out. I love that it looks so clean. I love the distinct lines. I like the pattern. Very, very cool stuff. So this was our This Little Piggy and Stuck Up Piggy experiment with our Yeets with the negative space. Really cool stuff. I hope you guys can see all this shimmer and shift on here because there's some really gorgeous details. Focus. Beautiful stuff. I just love it. I also wanted to take a second and show you my plumeria are blooming. I love these. So excited by these. Let's take that one out. Beauty. Hello, darlings. I'm very excited about that. Here's an aloe cameronii and some more aeoniums. The sunbursts are very happy right now. Looking beautiful. There's another aloe over here with another very pretty bunch of very pretty aloes. Aeoniums. Very cool stuff. And there was one more, another plumeria over here with a curly Echeveria in the middle. So pretty. They're beautiful. Another aloe cameronii. Some sunburst. This one is like the king. So red. I love it. The octopus aloe. And there's a couple more plumeria blooming over here. I love this section of the front yard. It's just so pretty. There's the other bloom. The plumeria. And then we got this gorgeous little aloe brevifolia. How cool is that? Variegated awesomeness. And she's blooming. She's blooming. But my plumerias have come back and they're doing really well now and I'm very happy about it. So I just wanted to share those with you guys. We'll go back to the painting. So this one came out awesome. Thank you so much, This Little Piggy and Fluid Art Co. You guys are amazing. You can find all your This Little Piggy pigments on fluid-art.co. They also have Amsterdam paints and a bunch of other really cool stuff like those piggy paddles that I'm in love with. So check them out for sure. This was awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I love you all. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.